it's me again. So if you like my channel, please subscribe me first. I'm gonna show you some very cool things. You know what? Recently I found something very interesting or viral product on Amazon. It's super cool silicone keychain, which made from this round bead, and the silicone is super soft. I found something that I don't like. Their design is super plain. Also, they sold out. So why not make your own a bracelet keychain? And today I'm gonna show you how to make this silicone bracelet keychain by yourself with budget and much cheaper, or maybe you can consider for reselling it. As you can see here, this is the one I made just now. This quality is super cool and very soft. I highly recommend it. And also this keychain, the metal is very smooth and shine. As you can see, it's really good gold plated, and I really like it. You can put this on your handbag, or you can put your keychain or key or anything like car keys, whatever, hook on this or hook on your handbag, or even you just put on your wrist to shopping. That's much easier, so you don't need to hold a big bag of keychain in your purse or your small pocket here. So let's get started. I have 3 material. I want to make sure this facial line is elastic version, and the silicone beads, as you can see, very soft. The beads extremely soft. I really like it. And then you're going to measure your wrist size. You're going to cut double of that size, because one string probably is not strong enough. I just worry about it. Afterwards, you're going to put this string and go into all the silicone beads one by one like this. Here you go. You can design any type of design you like. I like a pink, and also I like a brighter color. It's really hard for me to find this kind of design online, so I finally decided to go to online fashion resource, find this cool DIY silicone beads, and start to make my own design. It turns out so great. I really like it. As you can see, this silicone beads is so soft and so colorful with a bow, and it's so cute, super cute. So after you finish it, you just try to make tight, and I did a double time, so make it stronger. And afterwards, you can wear it, ready to go. I also want to say this gold hook is so pretty. So I hooked up this gold hook on the bracelet, and then I started to put it on my wrist or on my handbags. This is so pretty. I think this is my next cute bracelet going to be with me for the whole summer. I have a pink and I have a baby blue. It's so cute. Look at that. So cute. Okay, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me and support me. Thank you so much.